Hi you guys, this is Black and Blue, and I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get into today's savings challenge video. Let's go. This is Black and Blue, go ahead. What's the crime? An attempt to watch and not subscribe? Yep, that's a crime. Friends don't let friends watch and not subscribe. So, come on, let's get into the video. I'm so excited. I feel like I haven't done a savings challenge video in ages. I'm so excited. Now, the funny part is I'm kind of just, this video is going to be a savings challenge video with the money that was left over from my paycheck. And I'm actually doing just the challenges from my shop today. There's not that many today, actually. There's some other challenges I wanted to bring in, but they're not available on my site yet. So I'm waiting on doing those so I can show you. And if you guys like them, you're able to go and purchase them if you guys wanted to. So I'm going to wait on those. But for today, I have a goal to try and finish. Maybe not finish. That is steep. I'm not going to finish. Let me say that. But get a lot further in my saving challenges. I'm super excited. The denominations are what they are, so we're going to try and work with them. We'll count and see how much we are going to be stuffing today. I have not done my YouTube paycheck that I got 5 days ago. However, I will go ahead and do that when I can. It's probably going to be this week on Wednesday, I think. And then on Friday, I'll be doing my normal savings challenge video using other shops' savings challenges. And I haven't done them in so long, so I'm really, really excited. And oh, there's so many. And there's so many challenges that I haven't even touched yet that I cannot wait to get to. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the like button. It's really easy to forget because you get into the video and you're just excited to be here. Oh my gosh, that just scared me. You guys, it's 2 a.m. This video goes live in 6 hours. Yeah, 6 hours, and I just about had a heart attack. I'm by myself, so I get nervous when I'm at home by myself. Anybody else? Anyone else? And this is my new ring I got from Jeulia. I am in love with this ring. I'm still wearing it. I'm like trying to show you without the glare. I have all kinds of beat up hands. I had a really good childhood, but this ring is everything. It's so, the silver peeking through is so pretty. I love this ring. I don't want to take it off. I'm never taking it off. Let me not say never, but I don't want to. But I love it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get into this savings challenge video. How much are we stuffing? And I know what you guys mean about my calculator. I kept jacking it up before because I was hitting equal, count some money, and just put the number in instead of hitting the plus button again. So yeah, I get it now. Y'all came through to let me know what I was doing wrong, and I appreciate it because I love my calculator. So now I know how to use it. Oh my goodness. I don't think I'm going to need it for today, but just in case. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. 300. Let's grab these 10s. These 10s are new. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400. Okay, 400. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700. So we got 700, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 800. That was 800, right? Like, I don't need my calculator. That was 800, right? Okay, let's get into this. We're gonna start off with this challenge book right here. This is on my website. Once these run out, I am gonna swap to for this challenge specifically, the cloud bumps. I'm gonna switch to the zippered binders, the ones that house my drip challenge. So if you guys see the envelopes that have the drips on them, the bling and the numbers numbered just like this, 5 through 100 in increments of, or 5 through 50 in increments of 5, they're going to switch to those envelopes. Hopefully, eventually I'll take pictures that I actually post. I have so many pictures I need to add to my website that I just have not had time to do, but I'm going to be doing that hopefully eventually soon, maybe, hopefully. But I am now multiplying these by 3. Let me check. 5, 10, 15. Okay, yeah, we're multiplying the number by 3 because this is technically the 4th, but the 3rd time I'm doing this savings challenge. And every time I do it, I want to multiply it by the next number. So right now we're multiplying by 3. So let me make sure I was able to multiply this one by 3. Make sure I didn't just stuff partial. 10, 25, 35, 45, 55, 60. Okay, we did finish this envelope. I love these envelopes. The more money you put in these, like, you see how easy that went in? Like, it will open nicely, like it stretches to a nice place where it's easier to put your money in. I just love it so much. I love it. Oh, I love these envelopes. Okay, so 25 we need to multiply by 3 equals 75. 20, 40, 60, 75. Okay. Multiplying by 3 is steep. This envelope's going to be 100 next time we do it. 25 times 4. Perfect. 30. Let's do... Ooh, there's a lot left. Oh, we're not going to put as big of a dent as I was thinking we were going to in these challenges, but that's okay. 30 times 3 is 90. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Perfect. I would love to see how much this is going to be when we're all done with it. Perfect. Okay. That was a lot. Let me go to this next challenge that I love. Okay. So this one is so big. I love it. So this is the 100 envelope challenge that I did, and I wanted to be able to stuff my money in the 100 envelope binder, but not have to fold my money. Now, in order to do that, you need a pretty big binder, and that's what this is. So I'm excited. We're going to go ahead and stuff this, and let's see where we're at because I kind of forgot. So I like to turn this a little sideways because it's massive. But I love flipping through it too. And the pages in the front, they're front loading, and then they are top loading on the top. And I do have the numbers placed on with vinyl, which is waterproof, and it'll last the test of time. I can't wait to unstuff this. I am so excited. I love flipping through it, page by page. Oh, I thought I missed a page. I love this so much. It's gonna be so easy to unstuff. I'm just gonna go like this, boom, unstuffed. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Now, I went through quite a few samples of these right here, these pages, because some of them loaded from the side where you put the money in through the side. Don't like that. Some of them also loaded from the back instead of the front. I didn't like that either. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, we have so many pages left. This challenge is not easy. I'm stuffing the actual number on the front, so it takes a while. It takes a hot minute. We've been doing this challenge for a while, and it's going to be a while longer. So let's go ahead and stuff this one, 56 and 57. 20, we are going to round up because I don't have singles. 20, 40, 55, 60. We're going to do the same for 57. 20, 40, 55, 60. Wait, do I need to? I can swap that for a 10. We got a lot of 10s. $20, $40. I need to keep my 20s. 58 and 59 and 60. All 3 of these I'm going to make 60. 20, 40, 60. Nope, I need to use some 10s. I keep trying to just use the biggest bill, but that's not going to work. 20, 40, 50, 60. Luckily, these can hold so much money. Luckily. So for 60, we're going to put 60, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 61, 20, 40, 50, 60. We'll split that. 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. I love this challenge. This is also going to be 65. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. I got a lot of 5s. Let me try and swap some of these 5s. 10, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65. These 10s are so nice. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $65. Perfect. And then 65. Let's see if we have enough. 10, 20, 35, 45, 55, 65. We have $10 left. Okay, that's awesome. Perfect. So we went all the way to 65. We rounded up, and that's okay. This is so nice. I think I have a couple left in my shop right now. I will restock them. Maybe I'll restock them before you guys see this video. When I get off, I may just restock this one, because whenever I do this challenge, a lot of people show interest in purchasing it. And thank you. Perfect. Look at the back. This is crazy. See, this is my rounding up as well. We literally have 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Like, that looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like looking for star notes. I know I already did, but I can't help but always look at money and try to find star notes I missed or whatever. This is so nice. Okay, I'm gonna go put this back in my safe. And I did step on this, y'all. Whenever I finish a challenge, I like throw it behind me and drop it on the floor while I'm recording. And I did that to this, and then I didn't even see it, and I stepped on it, so I kind of smushed my rings here. But we're making it work. We're making it work. All right, that's my 100 envelope challenge binder. This is getting pretty heavy, not gonna lie. All right, see, you heard me drop it. Now I have $10 left. Oh wait, I know what I can do with it. Nope, we're not. I was gonna put that in the binder to basically start the next set of numbers or challenge envelope, but instead I got a better idea. Oh, I'm glad I thought of this. So this is actually going to be my savings challenge jar, and I love this. I have these jars in my shop. They're so nice. They're BPA free. It does come with a matching straw, but I took mine out because this is really a savings jar. It's made to drink out of. It's good quality, shatterproof. It's plastic, which is my favorite, especially for silver or for cups and dishes. But it looks like there's a good amount in here. I can't wait till we count it at the end of the year. I'm so excited. When I think of the end of the year, I think of Christmas. So let's go ahead and place this last $10 inside of here. Let's see. Try to put it in the little openings. Okay, yeah, that's good enough. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's got the CC, the 10, 20, 20. This is awesome. Okay, that was fun. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys for being here. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. This was a shorter video, but I am gonna get back to working on orders and recording for the vlog. If you guys, oh, before I leave, if you are out of country, I ship worldwide, but my website for some reason doesn't like certain addresses outside of the country. And while I ship there and some people can get their orders through, a lot can't. So if that's you, just like others, you can go ahead and send me a message on my website or my email or Instagram, either way, and let me know. Say, hey, I'm out of country and your website hates my address. And there's a way around it. We can use PayPal, and you will get your order. I can tell you what shipping will be and all of that, so you can decide. But I do ship to Australia. I'm shipping to Finland, Germany. Germany's addresses have worked so far. So there's Germany, the Netherlands. I've shipped to a lot of different countries. And of course the UK, Australia. But let me know, because I see a lot of you guys from Australia on my website. I can see where you guys are at when you're on there. And I see a lot of people, like over 20 people at times from Australia on my website. And I ship to you guys, so just send me a message, because I love sending my stuff outside of the US. It's kind of a flex, not gonna lie. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I keep trying to remember to tell you and I keep forgetting. But yes, I ship everywhere. The only issue is shipping, and their prices for shipping, they're pretty steep. And I appreciate all of you guys that order anyways, because it's steep for shipping, and y'all just really want my products, which I can't thank you guys enough. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys. Thank you. I will catch you guys in the next video. I think that was all I wanted to say. And a lot of new stuff is coming, you guys. A lot of new stuff is coming, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. Halloween season is upon us. Let me just say that. Halloween season is upon us as I'm looking around my office. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, you guys, and comment down below. I've been really enjoying reading your guys' comments. I always do, but I'm just having a blast working, vlogging, and reading comments. So let me get out of here. I'll see you guys later. Bye.